This is the first time we have a migraine preventive medicine that was designed to treat migraine based on what we know as to what happens in the brain during a migraine attack. It belongs to a family of drugs called calcitonin gene-related peptide, or CGRP, monoclonal antibodies. We expect a few more will also be FDA approved in the next several months, but this is the first one. This is not a miracle drug that will help all patients with migraine. Some patients will do really well with this new treatment. In the trials, there were a minority of patients that saw a dramatic headache reduction. At least half of patients saw about 50% reduction in their pain. Not everybody responds, and I think that adds to why, migraine is a complex brain disease. It's a genetic disease. There are lots of different components to it, and this treatment targets one part of this whole pain pathway. So I think it'll be helpful for some patients, but obviously not for everyone. So this is a really exciting time to be somebody who takes care of patients with migraine, and that's the one thing I like to tell my patients, that this is a time of hope. Because since 2017, in the last year or so, there have been new things coming out, new things FDA approved, and as we look at the horizon, we expect several other things to also become FDA approved for migraine as well, both for prevention and acute treatment. From drugs to non-invasive devices, so handheld devices that can also be helpful for migraine. And that just adds to our options in terms of treatment options for patients, whether they want to try a new drug or try something that's not medication. There's lots of things out there. So our toolbox is just getting a little bit bigger. So I think that's very exciting.